generation, multi-layer system engineering. The coming era of system development includes large cells less than 3 gigahertz group. Goal of the forthcoming 5G wireless networking is to have relatively fast data speeds, incredibly low latency, substantial rises in base stations efficiency, and major changes in expected quality of service for customers relative to existing 4G LTE networks. In order to deal with state-of-the-art technologies and connectivity in the form of smart cell phones, Internet of Things, IoT devices, autonomous vehicles, virtual reality devices, and smart homes connectivity. The broadband data use has risen at a fast rate. Further, to meet the latest applications, the bandwidth of the system needs to be increased widely. This development will be accomplished by using a modern spectrum but with higher data levels. In particular, the fifth generation 5G mobile network seeks to resolve the shortcomings of previous communication technologies and to be possibly primary enabled for future of IoT applications. This 5G as an energy efficient network. Various type of efficient antennas developed for 5G and the state of the art specifications for IoT applications along with the related communication technologies. Broader usage of 5G and its future impacts on our lives. Other keywords: device to device, D2D, millimeter wave, wave, Internet of Things, IoT, massive MIMO, long-term evolution, LTE. Here, 5G multi-layer system engineering. This is fifth generation multi-layer system engineering. The coming era of a system development includes large cells less than 3 GHz group. In large cells also that development is there. Yeah. So massive multiple input and multiple output. This is wireless backhaul. UE small cell channel, small cell. This is small cell, all small cell. From here, wireless backhaul, UE small cell channel, small cell, device to device channels, UE macro cell channel, wireless backhaul, UE small cell channel, small cell. Here macro cell, wireless backhaul, UE small cell channel, UE macro cell channel. This is small cell. Here from UE macro cell channel, D2D channel. This is user equipment UE small cell transceiver. This symbol. Small cell multimeter wave, femto cell and Wi-Fi huge different information mass production with shift forming MIMO device to device and machine to machine M to M correspond to relationship. Power bolts show remote front pass connections while running bolts show return connections. Use cases of 5G. In the scope of 5G, three different types of usage cases are related, like enhanced mobile broadband (EMPB), massive machine type connectivity, ultra reliable and low latency connectivity. Here, in this 5G multi-layer system unity, the coming era of a system development includes large cells, 3 less than 3 gigahertz group. So, use cases of 5G. Enhanced mobile brand, gigabyte in a second. Here, this side, massive machine type communications. Here, ultra reliable and low latency communications. Gigabyte in a second. Then 3D video. 3D video, UHD screens. Unreliable and low latency communications. And work and play in the cloud. Augmented reality. Industry automation. Mission critical application. Self-driving car. Feature IMT. Here, this is ultra reliable and low latency communications. Here, massive machine type communications. Massive machine type communications. Smart home building, voice, smart city, gigabytes in a second. The base stations are mainly concentrated for the transition of 3G to 4G due to bottlenecked wireless communication from base stations. However, while transcatting from 4G to 5G, the E2E equipment to equipment architecture of 5G network has much more significance because in the 5G network, the base station is not the main bottleneck. Architecture of E2E in 5G. E2E Secure Service Orchestrator is secure network and service management. Secure network and service management. E2E service secure service orchestrator. This is service level. In network level, slice 1, number 1, automotive factory, VNF. Here all are VNF. Network level, slice 2, IoT, Internet of Things, VNF here. And then network operating system. Network operating system, NOS, programmable CTRL, programmable CTRL, SDMC, programmable CTRL. Resource functional level. Resource functional level. Wireless and fixed access. Wireless and fixed access. Edge cloud. Edge cloud. Edge cloud. Wireless and fixed access. ODR network. Core central cloud. Here This is up to here programmable control. This is SDNC programmable control SDNC. This is programmable control. Here NFV management under orchestra. Management and orchestra MANO are significant component of the European Telecommunication Standards Institute ETSI network functions visualizations NFV architectures, and they published the NFV system architecture network framework. Management and orchestra sessions MANO coordinates network sources, the life cycle management of virtual network functions, and for cloud-based applications and network services, and in its architectural ETSI framework. Many open source organizations have developed their own NFV MANO frameworks. ETSI framework. Many open source organizations have developed their own NFV MANO framework. Several autonomous service level, this network slicing architecture, several autonomous service level agreements are being offered by network slicing architecture in order to meet the necessities. The network slice can be categorized into two categories: one for RAN network slice subnet instance NSSI, and the other for CNNSI slicing. Network can provide several various services at a time, and the network slicing network and the service are independent. The figure 2 below shows the 3GPP diagram of slicing network. The 3GPP specification of slicing network have been described in detail in this research paper. The 3GPP specifications are mentioned in figure 4 below from network slicing architecture. Operators. A slicing network can provide several various services at a time, and the network slicing network and the service are independent. The figure 2 below shows the 3GPP in a diagram of slicing network. The 3GPP specifications of slicing network have been described in detail. The 3GPP specifications are mentioned in figure 4 below from 19. In this business layer, BL operators, third party, enterprise, verticals. Here, remote surgery, network slice 1, textile, internet, name and link to automobile driving, tech to internet, automobile driving, smart card connected like this. Here, network function layer, NFL, BL, business layout to finish. Here, network function layer, control panel, user panel, configuration. Visualized resource, infrastructure layer, IL, network, computer, storage, virtual resources, NFV, and SDN, compute, storage, network,